Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna walk through how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening or responding in Windows 10. So to fix this problem, at first just go to your Windows, click on Windows and go to settings. Just click on settings. Now after going to settings, in the left side here you can see apps, click on it. Now search here Edge and click on Microsoft Edge and just click on modify, click on repair. Now here you can see it is downloading Microsoft Edge. It will take about 2 minutes, and after that your Microsoft Edge problem will be fixed. Just check for Microsoft Edge it is opening or not. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech 360. Thank you very much for watching this video.